In this sequence of videos, I want to demonstrate choosing different fonts for text within the document. That's a different font name, different sizes, different colours, and so on, and highlight some of the pitfalls to avoid falling into. So because I'm going to have fonts of different size, let's have a benchmark normal body text here. So normal body text. And now let's play around with some other text. So Mr. Watson, 2 hyphens there for an N dash. Come here. I want you. Now let's select that text. And from the drop down, tag, advanced. Here's where we can choose whatever font we want to use that we've got installed. I'm going to start typing the Comic Sans Serif font. There it is. I'm going to choose 20 point and let's make it a brown colour. So Comic Sans Serif font, 20 point and brown. Now so far so good, but we're about to fall into the first pitfall. When I do a PDF preview, then you'll see that yes, I got a larger brown font, but it's not sans serif, and indeed I've got the name of the font I was trying to choose here at the beginning. That's because for this to work you need to choose ZTEC from the Typeset Document Format General tab. General, and here enable overriding the document style and change the classic PDF LaTeX into ZTEC. While I'm here, I'm going to choose the paper size to be A4, but that's a little bit irrelevant here. The point is enable overriding document style and ZTEC. Now when we do PDF preview, that's much more as we expected. A little bit needing more space here, so let's go back in and put in a big skip, insert, spacing, vertical space, and big skip. I'm also going to save my document here as Changing Fonts. And when I do a PDF preview, that's as we expected.